Hello, this video tutorial is to help you register to vote. The example for this video tutorial will be how to vote in the county of Sonoma, California for the city of Petaluma. So you can go ahead and start off by entering this website into your search browser. And once you get to this page here on the County of Sonoma website, you can scroll down to the Register to Vote section. You'll want to go ahead and read this information here. But as you can see, to be able to register to vote, you can register online by going to this website here. Additionally, you can request to have an application mailed to you by contacting the office at this email or calling the free voter hotline. And also you can register in person by going to the office at this address here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to register online. You're going to click this link here, registertovote.ca.gov, and you'll be taken to this website here. You'll scroll down to register to vote now, and you'll go through the questions that are prompted, and once you are done with that, you will be able to be registered to vote. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out, and thank you for watching.